Hello, my friends. The Cheeseburger Guru here. I am not the guru. The cheeseburger is. However you take your cheeseburger, with whatever is in it, if you look deeply enough at it, you might just see the light. I'm here to tell you about what's going on with fetch.ai, where I am in my process. As you know, I trade spot. I also trade on margin, but right now I'm just trading spot. And I sold my fetch a couple days ago, right when Bitcoin was up here, because I felt like we were going to have a drop. And after we dropped today, this morning, this candle was red, looking scary, and that is when I bought fetch.ai back again. I sold it at 67 spot, say 2.5, and I bought it at 61 61.50, so 61 cents. I bought 61 cents today. I sold 67 cents 2 days ago. Why did I buy it back? Well, look at these bubbles. Look at the buying that just keeps coming in here. Look at these bars. I don't know if the ETF, I don't care if it's a sell the news or buy the news, or buy the news and sell the rumor, or buy the rumor and sell the news. It just is being accumulated here. Can it drop more? And can this RSI continue down? This is the daily chart. Of course it can. But if you are, again, thinking that the halving is right around the corner, let's go to the weekly, and you don't want to be caught when this market starts to take off not having your altcoins in a bag. I still believe this market can pull back a lot more. It can pull back all the way to here. Bitcoin could go to 32,000. It could go sideways and make a move up and dump. It can do anything. But today, given what I'm seeing in the market, I just did not want to be without my precious fetch.ai. Let's look at the total 3. So the altcoin total 3, it did the same thing. It made this nasty bar, and I was thinking, this is a great chance. This has a great chance of being bought up again, because look at these wicks. I mean, here. If not today, then down here or down here. I mean, these alts are being purchased. So now let's move to fetch. The bar was very red. Oh no, actually it was right around there, right around where it is. I bought back my fetch, and I'm pleased with that decision, because just like the Bitcoin chart, we have these areas where it's definitely being accumulated. The volume is decreasing, and I actually like to see that, because when the price doesn't retrace too much and the volume decreases and people get bored, it means it's deserved the price that it's trading at. Sure, it could wick down, anything could happen, but a little bit of buying volume that comes in, if it were to wick down, would just rocket it back up. That's how the trading works. That's how things move. It could go down to this 48 cent level. It could go lower, but I don't mind that I purchased it at 61 cents, because I saved myself that 6 cent difference from 67 cents, and now I even have more FET. I have more FET because of my trade. If it goes down here, catches me off guard, doesn't matter. I'm holding it anyway because of the halving. So this line of support is important to me. This is the 48 cent line around there, 49 cents. If you look at a sort of a longer term view of it, this line goes back to this point in 2019, February 25th of 2019. It comes here, touches this area, touches these points here, sold off, came up through it. It's important to hold it. If it doesn't hold it, obviously it's could get a little bit scary. But if it starts to show signs of not holding it, I'm going to be out. Additionally, if we rally up here kind of quickly and Bitcoin is still not looking fleshed out, let's go back to Bitcoin on the RSI. Like if it's looking like it has more downside, this is the weekly chart. Let's look at the daily. If we're thinking that this daily RSI is going to reset to the bottom here, then I am going to, I'm going to start to erase these bubbles here if you don't mind. Then I am going to get out of fetch again. But only if, I'm only going to get out if we have some sort of a bounce and I make some more profit. Or remember, I'm trying to get more fetch. That's the name of the game here. And because I'm all in with my trading account, like, again, this is not financial advice. This is just what I do, and it's considered to be largely wrong. I go all in with everything, so I don't have more money coming in. I don't have more money that's coming in. I don't know who these people are. They always seem to be able to buy the dip. It dips and they say, oh, I bought the dip, and it dips and they say, oh, I bought the dip, and then they always have cash on hand to buy the dip. That's great for them. I don't know how they do it, because I am not like that. When I buy with everything I have, which is why if this bounces up here and it's trading up here and it looks like it's going to falter and I see some other signs that that's the case, I'm going to get out. And I'm going to buy it back lower again when I start to see a reason to buy it. But today I saw a reason to buy it because today it traded too far down into this region, and this region is telling me, I'm just listening to this market. It's telling me that there are buyers here, that people want fetch, and that it isn't going lower for now. So again, like, oh well, why wouldn't I just hold it? Why wouldn't I just stay in my fiat and like wait to see what happens and maybe hope to get a lower price if I think that Bitcoin still has some more downside, that it's possible? Like, well, the answer is because, as I've already stated, I already made a good move and I was able to buy more fetch. So there's no need to be greedy. I'm not trying to be greedy, not trying to call tops and bottoms. I'm just trying to be with the flow of the market and collecting fetch. And there's one thing you have to watch out for. It's okay if it goes against you when you're collecting, as I am. What is not okay is that if it starts to run and you're not on board. Because if it starts to run and you're not on board, you made a major mistake. You've lost. That's how I feel. I've lost. If it runs, I need to be there. So typically, circumstances have to be very particular for me to sell my fetch, and I sold it here because I don't know. I guess I just felt I've seen this movie before, and sure enough, it pulled back. So if you're interested in following me, if you want more up to date. If you want to know what I'm doing faster, my handle at Twitter or X is at StackBTCCheese. Because ultimately, with these profits I make in altcoins, it goes back to my Bitcoin kitty. That's the name of the game. But I don't even really think about that, and I don't trade that Bitcoin. I trade the alts. Sometimes I might trade Bitcoin on leverage, but the object is, of course, to stack that Bitcoin. I hope this video was helpful to you, and if anything, I know I love fetch, and I like to hear videos. I like to hear updates, and so hopefully there was some food for thought here, something to think about, and I look forward to talking to you soon. Thank you. Bye.